la la.
So, what do we have here? Oh no, they are from the bank. I have to pay the bills, but I don't have any money at all. What should I do? It seems my life is over. There is no choice.
Now, stop!
Wait, I'll be there soon. Knock, knock. Hi, here's an invitation to the Squid Game. You can win $1 billion. Really?
Yes,
I want to
I want to play.
participate. Thanks. So let's see. Oh no, I have number 13. It is necessary to light a fire on the stove and put a saucepan there. I pour sugar inside and mix it until it all turns into liquid caramel. Now I add soda and mix it into the caramel. It starts to boil. We remove it from the fire. Now I'll pour it into the form. With the help of a cone, I'll make a small circle. Ready! It's time for the challenge. You need to carefully cut a circle out of the cookie. The main thing is to be very careful, otherwise everything will break. Almost done. Oh no! It broke! Oh, not that. And what should we do now? Will he take me out of the game? What is that sound? Are you hungry? Oh, don't kill me. I'll make a cake and milk tea for you. Okay. I'll take a bowl. Break an egg into it. Now I'll add sugar, oil, and flour. It is necessary to mix all this thoroughly. And then add Nutella to the dough so that the biscuit turns out to be chocolatey. Let's mix it up. And our chocolate dough is ready to bake. We're going to put it in a mold. And sending it to bake. Just look how it rises. Ready. I take it out of the oven, put it on the board, and divide it exactly into 3 separate cakes. It's time to collect the cake. I put a little cream on the stand and put the first cake on top. Smear it with cream and put the second one. I also put cream on it and finish the design with the third cake. Now the whole biscuit needs to be covered with cream and smeared with a spatula. Look how smooth it is. And I'll start decorating with chocolate. Perfect. I'll add some flowers on top. And some chocolate balls. We'll not let the cookie go to waste. I'll use it as decoration. Everything is ready. Now I'll pour fresh milk into a glass. Throw some ice. And the remains of a cookie. The drink is also ready.
Yummy!
Well, I hope you like my cake. Wow, he's eating it so fast. Half of the cake has disappeared in seconds. He seems pleased. Wait, what are you doing? No. No, you'll have to die anyway because you failed the challenge. Thank you, friends. It was great. Put likes and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of cool recipes waiting for you. I love cooking because I can't live without yummy food. Join me and don't be afraid to experiment. See you later. Bye.